weekly roundup. This week we learned a bit about limiting factors, and that's the thing which is in short supply and controls how fast the reaction goes. We were looking at photosynthesis. We also looked at some graphs, and what we found was that the graph has a sloping section and a flat section. On the sloping section, it's whatever's at the bottom of the graph is a limiting factor, and on the flat section, it's something else. Now, there are only three factors it can be. It can be light intensity, carbon dioxide concentration, or temperature. So you can figure out which one of those it is, or at least which one it's not. Then we looked a wee bit at the primitive numbers, and what that says is that at each stage in a food chain, you lose 90% of the energy as heat, movement, undigested material. Because that energy doesn't get passed on, you only get about 10% passed on, and that means that at every stage in the food chain, the number of organisms gets smaller because there's less energy to keep them alive. So you get lots and lots of grass, a smaller number of zebras, and a really small number of lions. And that's what we did this week in science.